Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set sleep timer on Spotify mobile. So let's say that you are listening to Spotify to make you sleep, but you don't want your phone to be in a low battery when you wake up because you forgot to turn it off. You can just use this sleep timer. So here, open the song that you're currently playing. For example, I playing this song, and just click on this stopwatch or watch icon at the bottom of the player. Click on this, and you can just set the timer that you want. So for example, I'm going to just listen to the song for 1 hour. Click on this, and now your sleep timer is set. So after 1 hour, my Spotify will be shut down and the songs will be stopped immediately. Also, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.